What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something a little bit different in the shop. So this is a 2018 Ford Mustang GT350R. This is my buddy's car, and he brought it in today just to do a little bit of fine tuning on the front splitter. So we're going to get this thing up in the air, and then we're going to talk about the product that we're going to install. So under the hood of this GT350R, this is the flat plane motor, which is really cool. Jeffrey's done a few little things under the hood. Different air filter, and also added the Ford Performance catch can setup, one here and one back here, just to help with oil consumption and keep this thing breathing good. All right, so we've got the car up in the air, and you can see we've already had some contact on these rivets that stick down below the splitter. And then on this edge here, we've had some contact with probably gravel. So what we're gonna do is we're not gonna go crazy and put these things all over underneath the car, because that would look horrible, and we're professionals. So what we're gonna do is on the outside part of the splitter here, we're gonna run from here to the outside edge, because this is where most of the damage has already occurred. And then in between these rivets, we're gonna run across the center of the car, and then we're gonna put one more row back here. When you put these under the car, what the idea is these will contact the ground before the splitter does, and they have a bit of a cushion to them so that these can flex instead of your $1,300 splitter flexing. All right, so we mapped out where we're gonna put everything under the car. The next thing we have to do is take these little 3M adhesion promoter pads, and we have to rub this everywhere that we're going to stick the 3M tape to. And what this does is it gives a nice sticky surface for the tape to stick to. It's almost like a glue. So we're going to rub this on up here, and then we're going to start sticking stuff to the bottom of the car. All right, so we have the whole box under here except for two little squares, and I think this is going to help out a lot with getting in and out of driveways, getting in and out of shops. You guys saw I had to put boards at my shop entrance just to get this thing in the door. So that's really going to do it for this. We'll get it back down on the ground, take another walk around it real quick, and then we'll be good to go. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Just a quick install of the SLIPLO universal skid plate system. Jeffrey's going to take this thing home and get it back under a cover. I want to thank him for bringing it by, give you guys a chance to see something different on the channel. We still have all my normal stuff sitting around, which I need to get working on. But Sunday morning, we thought we'd have a little fun with the Mustang, and it was cool to get a chance to check one of these out. I don't get to see Fords that often, and this thing is really cool. He plans on taking it up to VIR for a track day here in about a month or so. So I might go up there, check it out with him. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.